Hello guys, it's Dan from Buds in Minecraft. We're at Rocky Top 2023. You know this guy?
DNSCuber YT. Subs.
We're here with this guy.
Link in description.
We're here with this guy. We're here with these people. Carl.
Make sure you sub to my channel. Link in description.
Bro, I was actually thinking about
Plagiarism. Wait, no, that's not the right crime.
Not the right crime.
No, wrong crime. Anyways, I think my first event is pyramid. I should probably start practicing some. So let's get to practicing. It's so awkward. I'm not used to doing this.
You get used to it.
Pyramid cube.
Okay, then did you see that other guy standing up in the blue shirt? If you go tell him
436. I think that's enough practice.
No.
Let's move on.
Okay,
to
if you go
pyramids.
tell him hi, then
First round.
if you go tell him
I'm in the
hi
same
with
group as
best
him,
friends,
so we'll be
then
just like
you get
looking at our times. It'll be really fun. This is so awkward. I'm not used to doing this.
Nah.
I'm good.
Wait.
Todd, station 8. Yep.
Ready?
I go. Micah, station 5. Joshua 4. Is that good?
That's still a really good time, but like that should drop like
Rowan,
sub 6.
you're at 1. Hey, good job.
Thank you.
Seconds. Nice.
I may not be able to get PR average, but I still have a chance for a single.
Yeah, I actually got a single last shot. Andreas, station 6.
Okay, I'm in the waiting area. My best chance of getting a PR is like single, but and also I think my bet BPA is like 7.2 or something.
I'm in station 5. Driver, station 6.
Well, that's it. Sure, he did the opposite.
That's the longest. My longest standing PR is finally been broken. Okay, so like, okay, they were doing announcements, but I broke my longest standing PR on the last one.
station because this, it came out a little bit, and they changed the regulations about that. So like, there was like.
Was it good?
Is that the Evo?
Yeah, it's the Evo because I don't have a good
But,
pyramids.
so was it a DNF or?
Not. Jacob said it was solved and angrily walked away.
Okay, that's pretty cool. I got a 4.53 PR single. Okay, so I forgot to talk about pyramids, but I got a PR single in pyramids. Now we're going up for clock. So my PR single is 8.45, and my PR average is like a 12, mid 12 average. We're gonna see if we can break it. Hopefully sub 12, but who knows? I don't care about clock, so. What are your goals for clock?
I don't have goals for clock because I don't care about clock.
Sigma, very Sigma male.
Seconds. 12 seconds. Watch that out. Take it there.
Flip it over, please.
Yep. Good job.
8.
Carl, take the 6.
Flip it over, please. Good.
How'd you do? Joshua 9.
I just like fell out next year.
Alex, station 2.
1040.
8. 12.
I'm not sure where they are. I'm not sure where they are. I'm not sure where they are. I'm not sure where I left them.
Flip it over, please.
Good job.
Best possible average, I think, is like maybe like low 10, but I'm not gonna count an 8.
Okay.
Just take a cup with me.
Yeah, sign.
Oh, yeah.
You keep knocking the curtain down.
That's a PR average. I'm not sure what the average is, but it's PR.
You have to use
So I didn't
mouse.
record my 3-blind solves because I didn't want to embarrass myself. But I got a DNF mean. All DNF all 3 solves, so I'm not gonna make it to the next round no matter what. Did you skip 3-blind? I think he skipped 3-blind. I did skip 3-blind. But yeah. Next up is 3x3. I'm not gonna practice any because apparently he gets better results when I do that. And it's just the first round, so we'll see how it goes. So let's go into the waiting room. We go.
Nathan Smith, 3.
Samuel, 4.
Thank you.
Nathan, 2.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Go.
It's yours.
Yeah. Thank you. What you got? 19.8.
I can call Fiona for 7.
Fiona, station 7.
Eddie Smith, station 4.
Thank you.
I'm getting like a 2 average. Bet. I'm getting a 1 average. Good job. All those grams are like.
No, and you are not doing that.
Nah, that's you.
The counting times are 20, 21, and 22.
Yeah, so it's like a 21 average.
Let's go.
Joshua Moore, station 10.
Jared, station 9. Jared, station 9.
That's a DNS. I did not do that. Oh, yes, yeah, that's a DNS, I think.
Drew Rosenthal, Station 5.
Sorry.
Can I get an extra? Whoa. It's good.
Good, but
Derek Dodson, Station 4.
Dad,
Make sure I can.
my phone just died.
Delegate.
Yes. Sorry about that long
Did it hit you?
My phone wasn't turning on, it didn't go to dead.
And actually, there was a camera on the other guy. It fell down this side, so you get some extra.
So wait, so what?
Like the other competitor had a camera, and that fell down this way, and maybe distracted.
So no, because he finished the song. But that's all this.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Joshua Morris.
12.
MJ, Station 8.
Five.
12. I don't think that would be our single. I don't think that would. That's really close to PR single, but not quite. Is that good?
Yeah, it's good.
8,204.
I'm ready. That's PR by 0.01.
Wow. Good job.
8 seconds.
Jude, Station 9.
I didn't get that on camera, but it's fine.
8 seconds.
Durham, Station 2. David, Station 1. Andy Smith, Station 5.